Hello, everyone! Today we are going to make the ears of the strawberry cow. We will be using red yarn. Start by wrapping the yarn around. Then, start crocheting the first round by making a slip knot. Next, we're going to create a magic ring inside this loop. Loosen the loop on the crochet hook a bit. Now, in this magic loop, we need to crochet 6 single crochets. The first single crochet, mark it with stitch marker. The second single crochet. The third one. 4, 5, 6. Remove the piece from middle finger. Pull this yarn tail tight and form a circle. Insert the crochet hook at the spot where the stitch marker was and make a slip stitch. Pull the loop tightly to conceal the last stitch formed when making a slip stitch. Now let's move on to the second round. Start by making a chain stitch. In this round, we are going to make 3 sets. Each set consists of 1 single crochet and an increase. Let's make the first set. Make a single crochet first. Then make an increase in the next stitch. Okay, the next set. 1 single crochet and 1 increase. The last set. At last, remove the stitch marker and make slip stitch to finish this round. Great! Round 2 is complete. Now let's move on to crochet round 3. In this round, we are going to make 3 sets. Each set consists of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, and 1 single crochet. Let's make the first set. Make a single crochet. Next, stitch an increase. Next, stitch a single crochet. Alright, our first set is complete. Now we continue crocheting the second set. The third set. Remove the stitch marker and make slip stitch. let's move on to crochet round 4. In this round, we are going to make 3 sets. Each set consists of 3 single crochet and 1 increase. Let me show you the first set. The first single crochet. The second single crochet. The third single crochet. Then 1 increase. Please finish the rest 2 sets on your own. See you in a moment. Now let's move on to crocheting rounds 5 to 7. We will crochet these 3 rounds using the same method. In every round, start by making a chain stitch, and then make 1 single crochet in each stitch. Please finish the rest on your own. See you later. Okay, let's move on to crochet round 8. In this round, we are going to make 3 sets. Each set consists of 3 single crochets and 1 decrease. The first single crochet. The second single crochet. The third single crochet. Then in the next 2 stitches, make on decrease. Alright, our first set is complete. Please finish the rest 2 sets on your own. See you in a moment. Finally, fold the piece in half twice, following my lead. Make a chain stitch. Then we are going to make single crochets in the folded piece to close it. You need to apply some force to complete the crocheting. 3 single crochets will be sufficient. At last, we leave a long tail and make fasten off. Great! You just complete 1 ear of the strawberry cow. Now please finish the other one on your own. If you have any problems during crocheting, please feel free to contact us via email. We will reply to you as soon as we receive it.